Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be working on an updo. So as you see, I have her head section in four different areas. So I have the two on the side, and then I have the crown, and then I have one right underneath the crown. Now I'm taking my T-Guard 44 hairspray. So it's a protector, a heat protectant, and it's also a hairspray as well. So now we are going to be taking sections, maybe like a half-inch sections. We're going to be curling her hair using a wand, or you can even use a regular curling iron, all depending on what you're more comfortable using.
Jill, you're a genius.
Think it's a game. I came up from nothing, nigga. You can't tell me shit. Yeah, did it on my own. Check out my neck, check out my wrist. Yeah.
So now I'm going to be taking my hairspray and brushing all those little flyaways so we can get a smooth little side ponytail. So you can use an elastic, or you can actually use a hair tie for this. So we're going to do the same thing for the next section we're going to work with. So one's ponytail is going to go to the right, and then we're also going to do one to the left. We're going to do exactly the same as we did on the bottom. We are going to be using our heat protectant hairspray, and then we're also going to be curling this section as well. So now we're gonna go ahead and take our hair and put it in a side ponytail. So this one's gonna come to the left side, and like I said, you can use an elastic or you can use an actual hair tie. So what I am going to do now is each ponytail I am going to split it in half. So then I'm going to split one section in half, and I'm just going to twist the hair, and then I'm going to start just pulling out some of the strands as you see how I'm doing. And we are going to be putting this around the left ponytail, and then we're just going to be pinning it, and you're going to keep repeating this process for both sides.
In the Fiat, a nigga walk around with more metal than a robot. That heat, gold chains and diamonds in my teeth, $14,000 on my feet. Nigga mad cause this bitch a freak. I would be too cause the homie kissing me. Call me cousin Skeeter, fuck her then delete her. I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist. Yeah, I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit. Yeah, man. Every day we lit. Yeah, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, remember I was broke, now I'm getting rich. Yeah, when you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit. Every day we lit. Yeah, every day we lit. Oh yeah, every day we lit. Oh yeah, every day we lit. Oh yeah, every day we lit. Yeah, every day we lit. Every day we lit. Yeah, every day we lit. Yeah. Hey, you know every day we lit like it's Kwanzaa. Don't stand too close to me, boy. I done warned ya. You know these VVS hit like Bruno, yeah. And you know I'm the number one star, no, yeah. Whole lot of rest on me, don't need no deal, yeah. I just got 1 million followers, I'm on my second meal, yeah. Plus we still poppin', ain't talking pills, yeah. And the only rapper that still told that still, yeah. I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah. I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich, yeah. When you diamond colder than
I'm going to be taking the crown section, and I'm going to be splitting it in half. So I am going to be taking that section on the bottom that I just made, and I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did for the bottom. I am going to be twisting it and pulling out some of the hair strands.
flex. I give it my all, I give my best. If I ain't the one, that mean I'm next. I smoke too much weed, so I don't stress. All about my money, about respect. If he hatin', put him to the left. I rep Taylor gang until my death. Fuck a hand, I'll do it for yourself.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich,
yeah. When you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. Think it's a game, think it's a game, think it's a game.
So now we're going to take our top section and we are going to be teasing the crown. That way we can add some volume to the updo.
Jill, you're a genius.
Think it's a game.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich, yeah.
When you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit, yeah.
We're taking our final section from the crown and we're just going to be curling the hair, and then we're going to be pinning it back down into the updo, and then we're going to be moving into the side section.
Every day we lit, we lit. I used to ride around with my bitch in the Fiat. A nigga walk around with more metal than a robot. That heat, gold chains and diamonds in my teeth. $14,000 on my feet. Nigga mad cause this bitch a freak. I would be too cause the homie kissing me. Call me cousin Skeeter, fuck her then delete her.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like.
And what I'm doing is I'm taking each strand from the hair that we pinned and I'm going to be doing like a half curl and pinning it down into the updo. That way we start building the updo more and making it look more full.
Every day we lit,
yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, now I'm getting rich,
yeah. When you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. Hey, you know every day we lit like it's Kwanzaa. Don't stand too close to me, boy, I done warned ya. You know these VVS it hit like Bruno, yeah. And you know I'm the #1 star, no, yeah. Whole lot of rest on me, don't need no deal, yeah. I just got 1 million followers, I'm on my second meal, yeah. Plus we still poppin', ain't talking pills, yeah. And the only rapper that still told that skill, yeah.
So now that I am moving on to the side section, I'm using hairspray just to tame those flyaways. I'm also taking out 2 small strands from the side as well to curl later. I am going to be splitting the hair in 2, but I am going to be curling these sections as well. And then I am going to be pinning them back into the updo.
Check out my wrist, yeah.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich,
yeah. When you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, every day we lit. You can't tell me nothing, I'm gon' flex. Yeah. I give it my all, I give my best. Yeah. If I ain't the one, that mean I'm next. Yeah. I smoke too much weed, so I don't stress. Yeah. All about my money, about respect. Yeah. If he hatin', put him to the left. Yeah. I rep
rep Taylor gang until my death. Yeah. Fuck a hand, I'll do it for yourself. Yeah.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich,
Yeah, when you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah.
Think it's a game, think it's a game, think it's a game, think it's a
June, you're a genius.
think it's a game.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich, yeah.
Yeah, when you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah.
Every day we lit, every day we lit, every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit.
Every day we lit, every day we lit, we lit. I used to ride around with my bitch in the Fiat. A nigga walk around with more metal than a robot. That heat, gold chains and diamonds in my teeth, $14,000 on my feet. Nigga mad cause this bitch a freak. I would be too cause lil' homie kissing me. Call me cousin Skeeter, fuck her then delete her.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, now I'm getting rich, yeah.
Yeah, when you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah.
Every day we lit,
Yeah.
every day we lit, every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit. Hey, you know every day we lit like it's Kwanzaa. Don't stand too close to me, boy, I done warned ya. You know these VVS it hit like Bruno, yeah. And you know I'm the number one star, no, yeah. Whole lot of rats on me, don't need no deal, yeah. I just got 1 million followers, I'm on my second meal, yeah. Plus we still poppin', ain't talking pills, yeah. And the only rapper that still told that
I
still,
came up from
yeah.
nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich, yeah.
Yeah, when you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah.